how to add custom fonts in any Shopify theme. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify in your browser and sign in to your Shopify account. Once you're signed in to your account, make sure that you have your fonts ready on your device. Make sure that the fonts are in a .woff or .woff2 format to ensure that these fonts can be incorporated to your store. Now head over to the content section, click on content. Now under this, go ahead and click on files. In the files section, you'll be able to upload the files that you want to use for your Shopify website. So go ahead and click on the files section. And here, go ahead and click on the upload files. Now go ahead and upload the custom font files from your local drive. Select the file and click on the open button. Once it's uploaded, go ahead and click on the copy link icon to copy the link of the file. Head over to the online store and head over to the themes section. Now here, go ahead and click on the three dots beside customize and click on edit code. You'll need to edit your code to incorporate your uploaded custom fonts. Now on the search bar, go ahead and look for theme.liquid. So this is the first file that you'll need to edit. And here, go ahead and look for the style section. Under the style section, go ahead and paste the link of your font that you've just uploaded under the content section. You'll need to add a few commands in this section before you paste the link of the font. You'll need to incorporate a few code indicating that you're going to add that font to your Shopify. After this, go ahead and click on the save button to save the changes for this code. After that, go ahead and search for base.css. So this is the base CSS code of your Shopify theme. So go ahead and click on base.css. Now in here, go ahead and look for the font style section. So on the font style section, you'll need to incorporate the name, the style, and other necessary information about the font that you've just uploaded on the file section. And that's how you can add any custom fonts on any Shopify theme.